Can this video get 300 likes in the first 24 hours for this amazing Air Jordan 1 sneaker investment? Let's see if we can do it. The Air Jordan 1 in this box has skyrocketed in price very quick. This Jordan 1 went from about $350 to $500 like that. Very quick, a great investment, especially if you picked these up last year when they dropped. For retail especially, but if you paid resale after the drop, you are up very good money right now. And I'm gonna tell you guys to continue holding this Air Jordan 1, even though they've gone up a significant amount. Continue to hold them if you have pairs. This right here is a great Air Jordan 1 investment. They've been great since release, and they're going to continue to do very well. I love this Jordan 1 so much. I have my personal pair right here, and they are very dirty, as you guys can see. This Jordan 1 is extremely fire. I know a lot of you love this Air Jordan 1. Let's talk about this Jordan 1. We're going to talk about resale, why this sneaker went up in price so fast, what made it go up so fast, and is this Jordan 1 really still worth the hold? Let's unbox these Jordan 1s. In a few days, on June 5th, I'll be giving away Shadow Air Jordan 1 2.0s. This pair right here, brand new size 9.5, to one of you watching. All you need to do is hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and then give me a follow on Instagram. DM me proof that you did everything, and that is your giveaway entry. Good luck. The winner is being picked on June 5th in just a few days. The Air Jordan 1 in this box has been a great sneaker investment. A great Air Jordan 1 investment. This sneaker dropped last year, towards the end of last year, and has gone up in price. Guys, this sneaker went up $150 like that. Just like that. Crazy. Absolutely insane. It took about 2.5, almost 3 months for this Air Jordan 1 to go up $150 after being only at $350 to jump to $500 in about 3 months. That rarely happens when it comes to Air Jordans, sneaker investments in general. If you can get a quick flip like that, that is awesome. It happens, but not too often, but it happened with this Air Jordan 1. Let's unbox it, and then we'll talk about why I believe this Air Jordan 1 went up so fast, and why I still believe this Air Jordan 1 is a great hold. This Jordan 1 is straight fire. If you guys love Air Jordan 1s, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Please, let's see if we can get this video up to 300 likes so that I can announce another Air Jordan 1 giveaway after the Shadow 2.0 giveaway is over. That being said, let's take a look at these Air Jordan 1s that turned out to be an amazing Jordan 1 investment in both men's and grade school sizes. The Air Jordan 1 Mocha. This happens to be one of the best Air Jordan 1 quick Air Jordan 1 investments pretty much ever, to be honest. They're an amazing investment. These were selling for $350 after the release. Do you remember that? $350. Now, go check StockX, go check GOAT. You're going to be paying over $500 for the Mocha Air Jordan 1s. The sneaker released last year, the end of last year. It took about 3 months, 2.5 to 3 months. They went from $350 to $500 like that. Insane. That is crazy fast for this Jordan 1. For Jordan 1s just in general, I love the Mocha so much that I have my worn pair, my personal pair right here. They're beat. As you guys can see, I wear the crap out of my Mochas. I love this Jordan 1 so much. Such a clean, must-have colorway. They're really beat, my pair. Guys, I needed this. I needed them in my collection to rock. I do have a few dead stock pairs that I am holding because they already have gone up and will continue to go up in price. A few reasons why I believe this Jordan 1, the Mocha in specific, went up so fast. First and foremost is because of the Travis Scott Jordan 1. The Mocha Air Jordan 1 was made because of the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1. So when the Mochas released, the Travis Scotts were around $1,500, $1,600. The Travis Scotts have also gone up in price. Now they're at like 2,000 in pretty much every size, if not more. The Mochas had to go up in price. In my opinion, that was obvious going to happen. I did think it would happen quick. It happened a lot sooner to go $150 like that. That was so quick, guys. If you were looking at mochas, looking to buy mochas, invested in mochas, you know exactly what I'm talking about, so feel free to leave a comment down below. Let's interact. But guys, the mochas were a great investment, a great quick flip, and in my opinion, they're still worth holding. So the mochas being roughly $475, $500, maybe a little more depending on size, I do see them going easily now to $700, $800, which is crazy to say, but I think it's gonna happen. I think it'll take probably another year and a half, but they will see that $700 price point. They will. They're at 5 already. They're gonna see 7. You have to realize something, guys. When the Travis Scott is $2,000, if not more, I do believe the Travis Scotts will go to probably $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 one day. I definitely see it. But the mochas, man, they have to go to $700, $800, guys. The sneaker is still undervalued. It is an expensive Jordan 1 investment, so it's definitely not going to be for everybody at all. This is a very expensive Jordan 1 investment. You can go buy other Jordan 1s with maybe even better profit margins for less money, get more pairs, invest in more pairs, so you'll wind up making more. But if you have mochas, continue to hold them. I don't think selling them now makes a ton of sense, of course, unless if you need the money, need more capital. But other than that, if you could afford to hold some pairs, hold them. Hold them. Hold them. They're going to continue to go up. Grade school sizes, look at grade school. They're just as much as men's. They're going to be right up there with men's. Hold your Mocha Air Jordan 1s. Continue to hold them here in 2021. Hold them in 2022. Sell them probably in 2023, maybe even the end of 2022. This is a great investment. Guys, I'm speechless anymore on the mochas being a great investment. If you know, you know. Take a look at the graph on StockX. They've done nothing but numbers since release. And don't forget, guys, the mochas was one of the most hyped releases of last year, so it makes a lot of sense. Guys, look how close they are. You know, you can't buy these, go ahead and buy these. Awesome Jordan 1 investment. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the Mocha Air Jordan 1s. I love the mochas. I have my personal pair. So be sure to let me know what you guys think about the mochas. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Enter in the Shadow Air Jordan 1 2.0 giveaway that does end on June 5th. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.